What's up, Drinkstuff fans? Welcome back. I'm Steve the Barman, and I'm sort of in the middle of showcasing some non-alcoholic mocktails, virgin cocktails, whatever you want to call them, especially for dry January for the Drinkstuff channel, focusing on Stryyks. So we've got Stryyk not rum, non-alcoholic rum, Stryyk not vodka, and in this one, this is going to be Stryyk not gin. I've made, in previous videos, I've made an easy peeler mojito, sort of like orange satsuma tangerine. I've just made a banging espresso martini. This one, I'm going to flip up the Aperol Spritz for you. Obviously, Aperol is alcoholic, so we can't use Aperol, but I've got a substitute ingredient, which is going to be absolutely amazing. So for this one, Stryyk, as I said in previous videos, I'm not going to talk about the product. Go and check out the previous. There will be a link in the description below, including the recipes for this, to kind of talking about the products. But this one, obviously Drinkstuff sell them. That's why I'm showcasing them. I'm going to do 50ml double bubble of my Stryyk not gin for this. So there we go. Let's just pop that to that side. Next product that again you get from Drinkstuff. This is Monin's Orange Spritz, which kind of recreates that kind of Aperol kind of taste. It's absolutely amazing. I've used quite a lot of this over my last couple of years doing hen party events. I always get the odd pregnant hen or someone that's not drinking, so I've used this time and time and time again, and I promise you it goes down an absolute storm, this. Now, adjust the taste. The gin is obviously kind of got that little bit of sort of juniper bite to it. The soda water, that I'm not using soda water, I've got something different, but it's kind of a little bit bitter. So for this, I'm actually going 25ml of this. Dial it back down if you think that's too sweet, but 25ml, that's what I'm going for in there. Again, all the links will be below. I've done it again, there it is. I did that in a previous video. I can't find the lid. So leave that there. Now, for this, play about. Traditional Aperol Spritzes are obviously Aperol, kind of soda and Prosecco. Obviously, you could go non-alcoholic Prosecco, be my guest, you know. But I thought I'd showcase something fun for you. This is... These guys are good friends of mine, so I would normally showcase something like this on my channel. However, they are making big strides, and you can get these kind of products out there. However, the kind of flip on this, and I was going to use it, but I haven't got it, is Fever Tree's lemon tonic water. That's what I was going for, a whole lemon tonic vibe. Lemon tonic with the not gin, with the orange spritz, I think would work absolutely amazing. This is, as I say, good friends of mine. You can get these quite easily, not through Drinkstuff obviously, but this is a lemon and elderflower tonic water. Absolutely divine. So I'm actually going 75ml, but I'm just going to wash out. Do we need to do that more? Yeah, I'm just going to wash out the orange from there. There we go, 75ml. Perfect. There we go. So I'll just leave that on screen there. I say Drinkstuff don't endorse that at all. That's not Drinkstuff, that's me personally, and I always put that disclaimer in the descriptions below. So garnish up, I've just got some orange pieces there. I'll leave that for the top. I'm just going to ice this up. A couple of ice cubes there. I love these little Aperol, I think they're called Aperol Spritz glasses as well. Love these. So just going to give that a little stir around just to combine. There we go, amazing. One more ice cube just for the top. There we go, another wedge of orange there. Sprig of mint, and there we have it. Again, another banging kind of, oh, let's put that down. Let's put that to one side. I promise you, do you know what? Unless you're a real hardcore boozer, you probably wouldn't notice the difference. You wouldn't notice that there's no booze in that. That is amazing. So go and check that out. Those two ingredients and the glass, all available for Drinkstuff, and I will see you in the very next Dry January video.